So I just got this brand new TORRAS Power Bank. This is actually a new model that just got released. I'm super excited about it. So this has a 10,000 mAh battery and it has fast charging that is 22.5 watts. Nice thing with having such a large battery, as I unbox it, show you all the cool things, is that you have enough power to go all day. So it comes with some instructions, the packaging. However, the nice thing that this has that a lot of them don't have is as the integrated USB-C cable. So you can just pop it out, it sticks just in the corner like this, and it also could be doubled as a hook, which is really nice. So you have that in case you need to use the cable. There's also another USB-C input right there. And then on the front, you have a battery icon right at the bottom. And then that shows you how much charge you have left. It's super slim. And the nice thing is it is MagSafe compatible. So you just stick it right on your phone and you're able to start charging right away. So I really like having these slim, lightweight, portable charges because when you're traveling a lot like I do and your phone runs out of juice, especially after you're using the navigation or other things, or flying all day and listening to music or working, being able to quickly recharge your phone as you jump in the rental car or something like that is super important. So if you're looking for a really high quality, fast charger that has a big battery life, I highly suggest you check this out.